Guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic box for the month of June. It actually came in a bag this month and not a box, which is really exciting. And if you want to see what's inside, then keep on watching. Also, I just filmed another unboxing video for the Kat Von D or rebranded KVD Vegan Beauty Mystery Box that they just released. So I'm going to be listing it over here somewhere and also down below if you guys want to check it out. I also tried on everything over there and it's all on my face right now. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and everything that I got in the box, then watch that as well. But let's go ahead and get started. So like I said before, this came in a bag, which is really pretty. It's see-through on both sides, and then it has this like turquoise all around, which is beautiful. So I'm just going to open it up and see everything that's inside. Okay, so I do see that they included this card over here that says that they're not going to put any more of those like booklets in here, which I think is genius. They said that they're moving it all digital, which is the best thing to do. I don't know why they even spend that much money on printing it, and you know, like it's wasteful. It was just not relevant, so I'm happy that they did that, but I don't have any prices. I will check everything out and write it as I present it. So we will see at the very end what the final value is for this box, but let's start with the first product over here. So first in here, I see this little brush, which is super cute. It's a hairbrush and it's from a company named Glove, Glov. I don't know this brand, I never heard of it, but it looks really nice. It does feel really nice to brush with. Most hairbrushes just don't even agree with my hair, and I only use the wet brushes, if you know them. They're like the best, but this actually looks really nice. It's sort of like a travel friendly brush, so this is really cute. Next, there is this Josh Wood Color Everything Mask. It says that it is a color locking, multitasking dip conditioning treatment for every hair color. So this is perfect for me. As you can see, my hair is pink right now and I'm trying to maintain it as best I can. This is just from one time that I applied the color. By the way, I used the Moroccan oil like masks that they have with the color, and it looks super nice. I'm probably going to use it again soon, but for now I do really like this color as is. But this could be really nice just to help maintain the color. I do really try to use like conditioners and shampoos that are meant for color treated hair, so this would be perfect. Next, another thing for the shower is this Molten Brown London Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Bath and Shower Gel. Okay, that was long. Basically just the shower gel. It's actually a really nice size for a shower gel. It has 100 milliliters, which is 3.3 fluid ounce, and let's see how it smells. To be honest, it smells kind of manly to me, like what my dad or brother would use, which I'm not sure I would want to use myself, but maybe I'll pass it on. Next, we have this lip balm over here, and this is the Ultra Sun SPF 30 Lip Protection and Care. But it is just like a plain, regular lip balm. Smells kind of like nothing. Feels really nice though. And it looks sort of a little bit shiny and moisturizing, which is really nice. And again, it has SPF in it, so it's perfect for this time of year. And then speaking of SPF, we have another SPF product. This is the Polar, P-O-L-A-A-R, Fluid Solaire 50 Plus UVA UVB Protection. Basically a sun lotion that is very high in SPF. Here we get, how much is this? 20 milliliters, which is 0.7 fluid ounce. I'm assuming it is a sample size. Okay, and this basically squirted all over me as soon as I opened it, so that's fun. But let's just put this on my arms or something, just so it doesn't go to waste. So this smells almost like any other sunscreen. It's nothing special, nothing too overpowering. But it did absorb really, really quick, which I like. So last but not least, we have this Aroma Blend Moisture Mask. So this is a sheet mask, and it is from a company named Shankpri. I think this is how you pronounce it. It looks like it's probably Korean. Yeah, made in Korea. So it should be nice. Their skincare is usually amazing, and It feels really thick and like full of product, so that is awesome. I hate when sheet masks are really like not as moisturized as they should be, so they don't have as much product as you want to put on your face, but this feels like it would have more than enough. And I'm really excited to try this out. It says that it has rosewood oil and ylang ylang oil and also Rosa Damascena, I think, flower water, which I have no idea what that is, but it seems like everything in here is supposed to be really moisturizing, so I'm really excited to try this out. So I'm going to list on the screen somewhere how much the total is after I check all the prices, and then you can see if it's actually worth the price of this box. This is the bag when it's empty. It's actually really pretty. I like that it's actually something that I can reuse. I mean, I do reuse all the boxes that I get in these, but it's really fun to have something like this. And yes, I'm really excited about this month. I think everything is really great. I think the only flop for me would personally be the shower gel because I don't really like the scent of it. But this is a personal preference, and overall I think this is a great box and it's fun. It's very unique. It's very summer appropriate, which you know now is June. It's the perfect time for that. So I am excited for next month's box to come, and we will see what's in that one. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And also don't forget to subscribe to see more. I will post next month's box, and I also made some other subscriptions, and I have a bunch of other mystery boxes to unbox soon. So there's a lot of content coming. I really hope to see you guys there. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!